Good evening, everyone. Is the screen visible? Am I audible? Do let me know, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Everyone, please settle on yourself. Turn on your videos quickly. I'll just wait for a minute so that some more students can join us. Just a minute. And then we shall start our class. Topic is same. Simple interest, right? So, did you learn the formulas of the simple interest, dear? Do tell me. Did you learn the formulas? Everyone? Delzi, Ajish, Utkarsh, Nandini, Sai, Bhargav,
Ma'am.
Yashashwini. Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So, we shall start our class. A sum of rupees 8250 gives simple interest of rupees 2475 in years. What will be the rate of interest? Okay. You have to find the rate of interest in this question. All the questions we are doing is present in Bharati publication book. If you want, you can refer to the book as well, because it has all the types of questions that comes in the examination. Okay. And here, answer me in the poll, not by turning on your mic.
Ma'am, what is the time in this question?
5 years. Time is 5 years. Okay, time is 5 years. And here you go, answer me in poll. And everyone, it's a request. If you can turn on your cameras, do turn it on so that it is easy for me to monitor you guys. Because I have only Utkarsh, Nandini, Sai and Nikshita. Now Bhavik with the camera on. Rest, everyone is sitting with the camera off. Let me see how many of you give me the correct answer. Okay, 5 of you. Yashashwini, Vivansh and Saptarshi, first 3 to answer me. Nikshita and Bhavik has also answered correct. Rest, many of you have not answered. Many of you have answered wrong. Okay, let us see dear. Let us see how we will do this question. A sum of money. Sum of money means what, dear? Sum of money means that principal has been given to us. So principal I know 8,250. Gives simple interest of rupees 2475. I know this simple interest as well. That is 2475. In how many years? In 5 years. What will be the
Ma'am,
rate
you're
of
glitching.
interest? Exit and rejoin.
Ma'am, you're glitching.
Exit and rejoin. Okay. So, I have to find the rate of interest. The formula for rate of interest is SI into 100 upon में principal into time. SI is 2475 into 100 upon में 8250 into 5, right? This is what? This is my equation. Now I just have to solve it. So 0 से 0 you can easily cut. 5 1 is 5 and 5 into 2 is 10, right? 5 1 is 5 and 5 into 2 is 10. This is 825, right? So 8 into 2 is 16 and 8 into 3 is 24. Somewhere this 825 and 2475. So I can try, not always, but sometimes might be possible that the number given in the numerator is the multiple of the number given in the denominator. So 8 to 5, when I multiply the table of 8, so 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So let us check that 825 into 3 is how much? 5 5s are 15, carry 1, 6, 7, 2, 4, 7, 5, right? 825 into 3 is 2475. I can easily say 825 into 1 is 825 and 825 into 3 is 2475. That is all about the mind calculation, dear. And now you are left with what? 3 and 2. 3 2s are 6% is your answer. That is option C. That is option C, right? 6% is your answer. That is option C. Any doubts? Please raise your hand, beta. Anyone, any question to raise your hand? No? Then I'm, yes, Tejas? Yes, Tejas? Turn on your mic, dear. Okay, Tejas is not able to turn on the mic, I guess. Tejas? Okay, I'm moving to another question because Tejas is not asking anything. Hope you must have taken the screenshot of this question. Giving you the next question. Same type of question I'm giving you, okay? Same type of question. Hope this time many of you give me the correct answer. A sum of 9,800 rupees gives simple interest of 4,998 in 6 years. what will be rate of interest? Okay, you have to find the rate again. Six 6.25, 7.5, 8.5, 9.25%. And here you go. You can answer me in poll. Hope this time many of you give me the correct answer, beta. Use the same formula. Only 4 of you have given me the correct answer. Palak, Sai, Yashashwini, and Vivansh. Very good, dear. Rest everyone has given me the wrong answer, though it was the same question. Okay, let us see how we will do it. I have to find the rate. Formula everyone knows, SI into 100 upon May, T into T. SI is how much? 4998 into 100 upon May, 9800, that is the principal, into time is how much? 6. Now you just have to solve this equation, right? 2 zeros cancel out. When I see this 4998 and 98, I feel both of this can be divisible by 7, right? This will be divisible by 7 in how many times? 7 times में 49. 1 times में 7 and then 4 times में 28. So 714. When you divide 4998 by 7, you get 714. And when you divide 98 by 7, so I know 14 into 7 is 98. 7, 1, 4 and 14 again divisible by 7. 2 times में 7 2s are 14, and this will be divisible in 102 times में. 102 divisible by 2. 2 1 is 2 and 56 times में it's 102. Now I am left with 56 in the numerator, 6 in the denominator. This 56 and 6 both is divisible by 2, right? 3 2s are 6 and this in 28 times. Now 28 and 3 are not divisible by each other, right? So my answer would be what? 28 upon 3%. My answer would be 28 upon 3%. But this 28, I think, acha, sorry. I did one mistake, beta. I did one mistake there. Okay, let me do this calculation once more. I did one mistake. 102 ko I divided it wrong. Really sorry. 4998 into 100, right? 9800 into 6. Two zeros cancelled out. 7 से it will be cut 14 times में and this 714 times में. 4998 divided 7 is 714. This in 2 times and this in 102 times, right? 102. Now this 102 and 2 are divisible. 2 1 is 2 and 2 into 51 is 102. I took it as 56. I saw that 2 to be 8, right? So 102 divided 2 is 51. 102 divided 2 is 51. 51 and 6 both can be divisible by 3 because 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 is also divisible by 3. 2 and this in how many times? 17 because 17 threes are 51. So my answer is 17 by 2%. 17 by 2 is equal to 8.5%. When you divide 17 by 2, you get 8.5%. That is option C, your answer. Any doubts still? Anyone in the calculation that, ma'am, I did not understand? Please do let me know. Anyone? No one?
Ma'am, can you give an easy question next time?
Pardon, beta, I could not get you. Please, can you please raise your hand and then say there? Yes, Ajish, can you please repeat?
Ma'am, can you give an easy question next time?
Calculation once more.
No, ma'am, easier than this, a question.
Easier than this. Acha. Why don't you ask your examiner to set a very easy question paper so that when Ajish solves it, Ajish is direct into the Sainik school. I just saw a movie. In that movie, Hrithik Roshan was there, and he used to do like this, essay. And while doing this, he got everything which was whatever was written in the book. So why don't you get that power, Ajish? Just do any kind of fast or vrat or any certain kind of activity related with the devotion, and Bhagwan ji aapki sun lenge. Beta, easy question. You know what, Ajish? The questions that we are doing right now, they are the very basic question. Beta, very basic one. Now, day by day, you have to increase your level and you are asking me to decrease the level. Oh. The questions we are doing is from the very basic because I never teach the hard one first and then the easy one. Might be possible that previous year questions, some questions are easy. Then in the last class, you can get the easy question. But I always go level up, not the level down, beta. Okay, but the question which is I'm giving on the board presently has come many times in the examination and it is considered one of the easy question, among the easiest question. Just get the meaning of the question correct. A certain sum of money becomes five times of itself in 25 years at simple interest. Okay. rate of interest. Same question it is, same formula you will be using, but you have to get the meaning of the question correct dear.
Ma'am, I can't understand the question.
Explaining you the question, just give me a minute, not a minute, just 10 seconds. Yeah. Okay, see. The question says, beta, that a certain sum of money, I don't know what is my principal. Principal is not known in the question. Whatever is the principal, after 25 years, principal becomes 5 times itself. If my principal is 1 rupees, so after 25 years, it will become 5 rupees. If my principal is 2 rupees, after 25 years, my principal will become 5 into 2, 10 rupees. Whatever is my principal, after 25 years, it becomes 5 times of itself. You have to find the rate of interest. This type of question, it has come in RMS also, Sainik School also, and JNV also, beta. Okay, let me see if you give me the correct answer. It's very easy, beta. Yasha, Vivansh, and sometimes Saptarshi also, sometimes Ajish also. Beta, if you will be involved in the chat box, there is not going to be any harm to me, beta. Those who want to study, they are studying sincerely. And those who just want to have a bit of fun, they are involved in the chat box. Yashashwini and Sai. Very good, beta. Only 2 of you have given me the correct answer. Rest, 10 of you have given me the wrong answer. Okay, let us see dear. Mitran and Raj Nandani has not answered. There is one new student with us, but not new for me, because I think a week has been, only a week or 2. I think he is very close to the selection. That is Sai. Sai Mittal is very sincere, guys. Among all 18 of you, is a very tough competition for you. I feel he will be selected. During the class, there are some students, when I see them performing, I get the intuition that yes, he or she is going to get the selection. Sai is among one of those. Very sincere child. Okay, see. Beta, the question is, certain sum of money becomes 5 times of itself, right? I don't know what is the sum of money, but whatever is the sum of money, it becomes 5 times. If my principal is P, if my principal is P or X, suppose my principal is X. So amount will be how much? Amount will be, this is amount, okay? Amount will be 5x. Amount will be 5x. How 5x? It is given in the question, right? 5 times of principal. 5 times of principal means 5 into x. That is 5x. I can calculate the simple interest, which is amount minus principal. 5x minus x. So please don't write 5x minus x 5. 5x minus x is 5x minus 1x. So 5 minus 1 is 4x. X means 1x. So 5x minus x is 4x. Now you can use the formula. or the short trick, whatever you call it. So SI is 4x into 100. P is x and time is 25 years. Just put the values. X and x, you can easily simplify. 25, 1 is 25 and 25 into 4 is 100. 4 fours are 16. So 16% is my answer. That is option C. 16% is the answer, option C. Please do let me know if any doubt there. Anyone beta, any doubt, please do let me know. No. Yes, Tejas, you have raised your hand here.
One more question like this question.
Okay. And I have one more hand raised. And yes, Ajish, do tell me beta.
Ma'am, I didn't understand how did 5x minus x is equal to 4.
Beta, x means whenever x is na, so x ka matlab is 1x. Okay, x matlab 1x. So we don't write 1x. We simply write x. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Got it, Ajish? Ajish, did you get it? You can turn on your mic and tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Same
Ma'am,
type of
actually,
question.
can I take that screenshot?
Because screenshot to take fast, na? Take quickly. Same type of question I'm giving you with a bit of twist. Only a bit, little bit twist. But everything concept is same. Okay. Let me explain you the question and then I shall give you the poll beta. The question says, in how many years will a sum of money become 6 times of itself? I don't know the sum of money in this question also. I only know whatever is the sum of money, it becomes 6 times of itself if rate of interest is 25%. This time you have to find how many years will it take to make itself 6 times, right? At 25% per annum. Same question, but you just have to find the years this time. Let me see. Hope most of you give me the correct answer. And please don't try to give me answer within 1 second. I have given plenty of time to you. Don't answer me within 1 second. What's the use of answering within 1 second if you are answering me wrong, beta? Take your time and then you can answer me, but correct answer. Tejas, Sai, Vivansh. First three to answer me. Saptarshi and Yashashwini has also given me the correct answer. Rest everyone wrong. Hey Bhagavan. How many years is being asked to me? And in the question it's mentioned, whatever is the sum of money, it becomes 6 times of itself. If my principal is X, I don't know what is my principal. I will assume my principal to be X. Okay, I assumed it to be X. If my principal is X beta, amount will be how much? 6 times. 6 times ka matlab 6 into X. That is 6X. So, my simple interest will be how much? 6X minus X. X ka matlab is 1X. Okay, we don't write 1X, we simply write X. So, X ka matlab is 1X. 6 minus 1 is 5. So, 5X is the simple interest. You have to find the time. Short trick formula for time is SI into 100 upon में P into R. Right? This one is the short trick. Now SI is how much? It is 5X into 100 upon में X into R is how much? R is 25. X से X you will cut. X and X you can simplify. 25 1 is 25 and 25 4s are 100. You are left with 5 and 4. So 5 into 4 is 20 years. My answer, that is option B. Anyone beta, any question? Please do tell me. Yes, Ajish. Ajish, want to ask something? Anyone beta? I'm not in front of the screen so that you can take the screenshot, dear.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, I didn't understand.
It's easy, dear. The question is being asked that in how many years will a sum of money become 6 times of itself? Rate of interest is 25%. Let me assume that my principal is X. According to the question, if my principal is X, amount will be 6 times. 6 times means 6X. Simple interest is 6X minus X. That is 5X. Right? Now, I have to find the time. So, I will use the formula to find the time. That is SI into 100 upon P into R. So, SI is 5X. 100 की जगह 100. P की जगह I will write X and R की जगह I will write 25. X से X you can cut. 25 1 is 25. 25 4 is 100. I am left with 5 and 4. 5 4s are 20 years, dear. Anyone else, beta? Any question? No one.
Ma'am, now also I couldn't understand.
What are you not getting? Tell me, Utkarsh. Which part?
Ma'am, the question.
Beta, the question is simple, dear. In how many years? You have to find the number of years, that in how many years will the sum of money become 6 times of itself. You don't know the principal, Utkarsh, but the question says whatever is the principal, it becomes 6 times of itself at 25% rate of interest. You have to find out that in how many years will the sum become 6 times of itself. Got it, beta? Utkarsh?
Yes, ma'am. After that, the answer part also I did.
Second part, beta, you just have to put the values. Like SI, I found to be 5x because x is my principal, 6 is my amount. So SI is amount minus principal, that is 5x. 100 ki jagah you will write 100. P ki jagah you will write x, and R ki jagah you shall write 25. Now you will simplify it. X say x you will cut. 25 1 is 25 and 25 into 4 is 100. 5 4s are 20. Got it now, beta?
So, ma'am, how did the 6 and x come?
What comes?
6x and x half.
We assumed it, beta. We assume principal to be the x. If I assume principal to be the x, amount will be 6 times of the principal. 6 times means what? 6 into x, that is 6x. Got it? Giving you the same type of question once more. Same type of question. And this question has actually come in JNV. Okay, this is a previous year question. At 25% per annum. Exit and rejoin, beta. Same type of question I have given you, and this is a previous year question. This question has come in JNV. Here you go. You can answer me in full. Three times. Triple means 3 times. Okay, this time I got 7 correct answer. Delzi, Vivansh, and Ajish. First 3 to answer me. Yashashwini, Akrati, Sai. Melanie has also given me the correct answer. Saptarshi, Utkarsh, Nandani, Bhavik, and Yasha. You have given me the wrong answer. Okay, let us see how we are going to do this question. Same type data. Rate of interest is given to me 25%. Question says, in how many years will a sum of money triple itself? Triple का मतलब is 5 times of itself, right? What question, beta?
Ma'am, 3 times, not 5 times.
Yes, Utkarsh, 1 minute. I just got confused. Vivansh, what question you have?
Is the in a minute, ma'am. Quick question: is this a new chapter? Because I was not there.
Pardon, beta? Vivansh? Quick question. Is this a new chapter?
Question: is this a new chapter?
No, beta. This is
old.
the same. This is the same chapter we are studying. Simple interest.
Because I was not there, so I don't know anything.
Yes, ma'am, same.
Sad life.
What's not given? I could not get you properly.
Ma'am, we were not present on the day you started this chapter.
I just
Yes.
started the last day.
Or like on Saturday, because I was not there on Saturday. It was the class on Saturday. The last class I was there.
Okay, got it. Because you were absent on Saturday, that's why you must not have noted all the formulas. You don't know the concepts, and that's why you are not able to answer. Got it. Please,
Yes,
please watch the
But-
recordings
but
for it.
I'm- But I'm still
Okay,
trying
yes,
and
I
I'm
can
getting
get
correct
you
answers.
because today, starting of the class, total I had 17 students. Okay, so I think might be possible that most of the students must have not attended the class there. So those who have not attended the class, please go for the recordings, watch it once. Even then, if you face any problem, do let me know, okay? Because in that recordings, you will see certain formulas. I guess 7 to 8 formulas are there. If you learn those formulas, you are sorted for the chapter. Okay, see, at 25% per annum simple interest. So rate is known to be 25% per annum. And the question further says that I don't know the principal, but whatever is the principal, whatever is the sum, it triple itself. Triple itself means it becomes 3 times of itself. If my principal is X, my amount becomes 3 times of itself. That means my simple interest would be 3x minus x, that is 2x. 3 minus 1, 2. I can simply take out the time. Simple interest, that is 2x, right? SI, 2x into 100 upon my p, that is x, into r, that is 25. Now you can simplify it. X and x, you can cut, you can simplify. 25, 1 is 25 and 25 into 4 is 100. You are left with 2 and 4. So 4 twos are 8 years. Answer. Option C. 8 years is your answer. That is option C. If anyone has any doubt, do let me know. Okay, hope all of you got it. Please take the screenshot. I'm going to give you the another type of question now. Let me see who does this question correctly. The simple interest on a certain sum of 5% for 3 years and 4 years differ by rupees 42. Find the sum. I shall explain you the question first and then I will start the poll, okay? See, the question says here that simple interest on a certain sum. I don't know the sum in this question also. I don't know the principal. Whatever is the principal, if you take out the interest for 3 years and then again you take out the interest for 4 years, then the difference between them is 42 rupees. Difference between them is 42 rupees. You have to find the sum. You have to find the sum and you can easily calculate it. Quickly, here you go. I shall teach you this question in 2 ways. One, the short trick or the shortest trick you can say. Because if you go for the long one, traditional way, it is way too long, very much lengthy. Short trick is very easy. Okay, Delzi and Yashashwini. Yashashwini is also confused at how I got it correct. Yashashwini, your expression. And ma'am, mera correct kaise ho gaya? How can I give the correct answer, ma'am? Okay, Delzi and Yashashwini, 2 of you have given me the correct answer. Rest everyone wrong and most of you have not answered this question. Okay, let us see dear. I will tell you how to do the traditional way, but I'm not going to solve the whole question using the traditional way. I will just tell you that how you can do it. But I will go for the short trick, okay? I will teach you the short trick ekdam detail mein, traditional way just for the information. Simple interest on a certain sum of money. So, for 3 years beta, simple interest would be what? Principal into rate of interest into time upon 100. And for 4 years, simple interest would be what? Right? Simple interest for 3 years, simple interest for 4 years. Now, according to the question, when you will subtract this SI1 or SI2, you will get 42. So, you have to subtract this and this. Very long process. Very long process. So, that calculation you will do, it will take at least minimum more than a minute. Minimum 1 or 1.5 minutes approximate, but the short trick only 20 to 30 seconds. So I'm not going for this long process. If you want, you can solve this way. You can try. Okay, very long method. What will I do? We have learned here that simple interest each year remains same. Simple interest, I taught you. Simple interest every year remains the same. Use your common sense. This is 3 years, this is 4 years. If the difference between simple interest of 4 years and simple interest of 3 years is 42, I can easily say that acha, this is the simple interest for 1 year, because 4 years and 3 years. So 4 minus 3, 1 year. 4 minus 3 is 1 year. My simple interest for 1 year is 42. Simple interest for 1 year is 42. I can easily calculate the principal using this short trick formula, SI into 100 upon में R into T, because simple interest is 42 given in the question. 100 की जगह you will write 100. Rate of interest is 5 and time is how much? Time is 1 year. 4 minus 3, 1 year. Now you can easily simplify it. 5 1 is 5 and 5 into 20 is 100. 42 into 20 is 840. Option D is your answer. Tell me, beta, any doubts? Anyone? Yes, Utkarsh.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the question.
Question is simple dear. Question says that you have to calculate the principal. Okay. Principal is not known to me. I only know that if I calculate the simple interest for 3 years and I calculate the simple interest for 4 years. So the difference between them is 42 rupees and rate of interest is 5%. You can easily find the sum. Sum means the principal. Got it, Utkarsh?
Yes, ma'am, the answer part.
Answer part. Okay. So because we know that each year simple interest is same. So I'm going to do with the short trick, not with the long way. Okay. So short trick tells me that simple interest will be 42 rupees for 1 year, because 4 year minus 3 year is 1 year. So simple interest is 42 rupees. I will just use the short trick formula, SI into 100 upon R into T. SI is 42, 100 की जगह 100, rate of interest की जगह 5 and time की जगह 1. Solve it. 5 1 is 5, 5 into 20 is 100, 42 into 20 is 840. Got it, dear? Anyone else, beta? Any doubt? No one? No doubts, anyone? Okay. If you all don't have any doubts, then this would be the last question for today. Next step, please be prepared. Please practice some questions from the book, because I am going to increase the levels. Okay. From the next class, we are going to start the previous year question from the book itself, and all the question, please at least refer it once so that it is easy for you when I solve in the class. Yes, Yashashwini, want to ask something? No? Okay, dear. If no, then that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.